In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export data in various formats in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have this project and you can see it here, and I'd like to go ahead and export it. To export this, it's quite simple. Open the project first, and from here, go to Customize here, and you'll see we have an option for Export View. So if you click on this, now you'll have various options to export this. You can export this as Excel or CSV, and you can also choose what to export, either visible columns, task name only, all columns, and so many others. You can also go ahead and choose the other options before you now proceed and download. So if you click on download, now you need to have a business account or a paid plan for you to be able to do this. So for my case, I'm on a free plan. I'll not be able to export this. So by doing that, you should be able to get this project directly downloaded to your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.